that shopping trip was next level abysmal.
Ned Mac, that's one of the only times I've actually agreed with you. Wow. Fuck you, dude. Let's go. Damn, are you fucking kidding me? Hello and welcome to Channel 70 News, the news channel where no town is too small for us. Anyways, we couldn't play our intro music because of the blizzard. Yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, on to the live broadcasting segment because we do not care about the safety of our employees. I'm out here right now. The conditions are pretty shitty. It's 0 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Meanwhile, it feels like -5, and it should feel like around -12 tonight by 8 p.m. It is recommended to stay inside. The wind is about 25 miles an hour. I'm good. You can go back to your normal programming now. The fuck was that? I don't know. Guess today could get worse. Yep. Yes, it did. Oh, I forgot we have phones. Better. Yep. Now who's gonna turn on the private generator? You motherfucker. Now, where's the generator? We never use this thing. There it is. Damn it. Ah! How was it? Just slowing my face and ate shit. Oh, did we ever put the wreath up at the door? Because I don't think we did. Oh yeah, we didn't. You gonna go back out there? I just slid on my face in snow. What do you think? That's fair. Finally, after 15 minutes of hard work, I got the perfect position. Now, to stand back and admire my work of putting a wreath up. Off! That should probably be it, right? Yep. Oh, what the hell? There's always something. Let's go get our stuff. Okay, so this is bomb. We just have to cut a wire. Okay, just give me a wire. Just give me a wire. What wire should I cut? The red one? No. See, in the movies, the red wire it disarms the bomb. It disarms the bomb. But I think the villains. At this point, I'm not even surprised. All right, so who's outside last? I went outside last, right? No, you went outside before me. When I was out last time. Alright, smartass. So you're basically saying it's my turn to go outside? Yeah? At least give me the ladder. Just so you know, it's a fold up. Why is there paper in this? Anyways, the satellite. Goody. Oh, there was snow there. Oh, so that's what I hit. Satellite on a roof detached. Anything to reattach it? I don't know, let me check. Dust bunnies, a piece of yarn, 2 strings, a button, and that's quite literally it. Well, I guess I'm buying some screws. Nope. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, and the people inside are doubtful. And there's just one thing we want. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, the
Hope you're
weather
happy, Sammy Con.
outside is frightful.
Hope you're happy.
And
Man, that was a terrible try. What the fuck? Ah, shit. Excuse me, I need this for my table. Well, I need this for a satellite that kind of fell off our roof. Kids today and their screens. Adults today complaining about kids on screens. Did you just talk back to me? Boy, you've got some See you, chump. So that's it? Yeah? That's it? You still have to shovel the driveway in the morning.